दानो भैसिया को कहनो राम रावणी दोयो लंको दखना सबुले कर देवे देवी अपमान कश्म खाली पतुरा देवी
In the Himalaya, people have traditionally relied on springs and tapping subsurface water into nalas or bodies as their primary source of drinking water. Over the years, severe environmental degradation has led to poor recharge or complete drying up of their primary water sources. This, combined with an increase in population and urbanization, has led to an acute water shortage in most river basins in the Himalaya. Field surveys of the Gagas River basin in Uttarakhand reveal that the per capita availability of water reduces to less than 10 liters per day during the summer months. In this region, over 40% of the traditional water sources are non-functional. This often leads to conflicts within the community, and people resort to locking up and guarding their water sources. Considering the problem of water shortages in the Kumaon Himalaya, Dr. Tim Rees, a geohydrologist, designed the infiltration well, which is a classic extension of the traditional Nala system. The traditional Nala is a stone structure with a roof. Typically about 4 to 5 feet deep, this intercepts shallow subsurface water capillaries. The infiltration well is about 25 to 30 feet deep and taps deeper water capillaries. This makes more water available to the community. A well made of semi-porous concrete blocks intercepts these capillaries after they pass through a sand filter. The structure is completely covered and a hand pump is used to draw water from the well.
पानी कम था एक ही स्रोत था वहीं डिग्गी पर सब लोग वहीं से ले जाते थे उधर बरगल्ला वाले भी वहीं से ले जाते थे हैंडपम्प बनने से काफ़ी सुविधा हुई है फिर हम खाना बनाने के लिए भी गाय भैंसों के लिए भी कपड़े धोने नहाना सब यहीं हैंडपम्प से ही ले जाते हैं
जब पहले गांव में पानी नहीं था तो हम लोग बहुत परेशान रहते थे सवेरे बहुत जल्दी उठकर नदी में भी जाना पड़ता नौले से फिर भी पानी पूरा नहीं पड़ता था और कपड़े धोने भी वहाँ नदी में ही जाना पड़ता था अब हमें सभी चीज़ की फैसिलिटी है घर ही में कपड़े धोते नहाते धोते सभी काम घर में ही करते हैं
Rawalsera village in Almora district of Uttarakhand has ample subterranean water. The water source is located at a distance near the fields lower down in the valley. An infiltration well was dug near the source and it was found that they had a water flow of 30 liters per minute. A submersible pump has been installed which pumps water to an overhead tank. From this, water is supplied to the villagers twice a day.
पानी की तो बहुत परेशानी थी पहले यहाँ दूर नदी से लाना पड़ता था अब सौजल आने से बहुत ही फ़ायदा हो गया अब यहीं से अंदर ही पाइप लगा लेते हैं अंदर ही बर्तन भर लेते हैं अब पहले सिर में 2-2 किलोमीटर दूर से लाना पड़ता था परेशानी रहती बहुत ही कपड़े धोने की एक हफ्ते में नहाते थे कपड़े भी एक हफ्ते में धोते थे किसी दिन ज़्यादा टाइम भी हो जाता था 10 दिन में भी कपड़े धोते थे नहाना धोना कुछ भी नहीं ठहरा पहले
The operation and maintenance of this water supply is done by a team elected by the villagers themselves. They collect funds by levying a monthly charge for water and this has been adequate for meeting all their running costs.
हमारे यहाँ तो ऐसा कि अगर पानी कहीं पर किसी कारणवश बंद हो गया तो उसी समय गांव के अंदर ही सब कुछ लाइनमैन भी है और रिपेयरिंग करने के लिए जैसे और आदमी भी हैं तो तुरंत रिपेयरिंग करो और पानी चलाओ जैसे एक टाइम में पानी बंद नहीं होना करके
बंद नहीं होता हमारे गांव में
तो ये स्थिति जो है गांव वालों की अपने आप
नहीं होगी तभी बंद होगा बिजली होने पर तो पानी किसी हालत में बंद नहीं होगा चाहे कैसी टूट फूट होगी उसको पूरा करेगा लाइनमैन पूरा करता है
Rawalsera is now completely self-reliant for their daily water requirements and the community enjoys a better quality of life.
ये विकल्प तो अन्य गाँव के लिए भी बहुत बढ़िया है साहब क्योंकि हम अन्य गाँव वालों से भी कहेंगे कि आपके वहाँ यदि पानी की दिक्कत है तो आप इस प्रकार से कीजिए और सब गाँव वाले मिल कर करके सहयोग कर करके इस प्रकार की योजनाओं को चलाइए
The village community is involved at all stages of making these wells. They contribute a minimum of 10% of the cost by collecting funds among themselves or by contributing towards the labor costs. This helps in creating a sense of ownership and responsibility towards their water sources. In order to spread the benefits of this technology to other mountain regions, it was essential to build on the skills of local youth. This led to the formation of the Kumaon Artisans Guild, which is now a dedicated body of over 50 barefoot engineers. So far, over 300 infiltration wells have been constructed in 9 districts of Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh, and about 50,000 people now have access to clean potable water using this technology. This merely demonstrates the immense potential of infiltration wells for resolving the chronic water crisis in the Himalaya. In our experience, the infiltration well is the most appropriate technology option because the structure is completely closed, so it eliminates the possibility of any external contamination of the water source. Since deeper water capillaries are intercepted, greater quantities of water become available. It is a low-cost option, requiring only about 600 rupees per capita. It is possible to reach far-flung villages not accessible by road. Construction and maintenance requires only simple tools, and communities can easily be trained to do this.
अब वैसे विभागीय भी हैंडपम्प बन रहे हैं, लेकिन बहुत दूर है, उनको बनाने वगैरह में बहुत दिक्कत आती है। और ये जो है नज़दीक होता है, इसके पाइप निकालने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं, न उठाने में न लगाने में, सारा सरल काम है इसमें।
While infiltration wells do offer a good remedy for the current water crisis, in our experience, village communities need to be engaged in eco-restoration of the catchment areas for a long-term sustainable solution. With the help of local village groups, traditional rainwater harvesting structures are being revived. Village groups are also running nurseries where they raise saplings of broad-leaved native species of trees and various shrubs, which are planted on degraded village common lands. These are but small steps towards creating a platform within a river basin, upon which communities and all stakeholders jointly act for the renewal of the hydrology.